before takeoff. Wait till the takeoff.
Whoa.
Clear prop.
Why'd you say that?
Try! What did you say that for?
Austin Bergstrom International Airport, ATIP information uniform. 2.
Not right now, no. That actually moves the airplane, okay? I'll give you a go at it later, though, if you want. If you really want to.
Maintain VFR departure frequency 127.22, squawk 0247. Foxtrot, that readback is correct, thank you. Bonanza 4970, yeah. That's Kilo, son.
Bonanza 4970, Austin ground, safe parking.
Signature for Bonanza 4970, yeah.
November 970, thank you. Taxi to signature via Alpha Lima.
Alpha Lima for Bonanza 4970, thank you.
You can if you want, yeah.
American 1645, Austin ground, pushback at pilot's discretion. ATIS information, uniform current, expect runway 17 right.
Expect 17 right, we have uniform push our discretion, American 1645. Ground, good afternoon, 70 November Echo, signature with uniform ready to taxi.
November 70, November Echo, Austin ground, good afternoon, runway 17 left, taxi via. Actually, are you coming out of signature, sir?
Affirmative signature.
November 0, November Echo, roger, give way to the Bonanza inbound on taxiway Lima, then when able, runway 17 left, taxi via Lima Bravo.
You okay?
Give way to the Bonanza, then Lima Bravo, 17 left, 70 November
We're
Echo.
going to take off in a minute.
November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, do you need a run-up prior to departure? November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, roger, turn right at taxiway Juliet and transition to Alpha, hold short of taxiway Golf. November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, affirmative, hold short of Golf on Alpha.
Afternoon, ground, road 218 off the Tango for 23.
Redwood 218, Austin ground, taxi to the gate via Charlie Romeo.
Charlie Romeo to the gate, Redwood 218, have a good afternoon.
You too.
How are you
Control them like these. Because you need these when you're in the air, so they put all the controls for the ground on your feet.
November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, just advise when you're ready to continue taxiing. November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, affirmative. Thank you.
Yeah, see the plane guys wants to take off down here. Beside us.
American 1645, ready to taxi.
American 1645, give way to the Virgin Airlines traffic inbound on taxiway Romeo, when able, runway 17 right, taxi via Romeo Charlie.
Oh, give way to the Virgin, he's in sight, and then Romeo, Charlie to 17 right, American 1645.
American 1645, sorry, that we're turning left at gate 23.
American 1645.
Redwood 218 traffic, straight ahead and giving way to you. Thank you. November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, roger, turn left on taxiway Golf and right on Bravo, taxi via Bravo Foxtrot, runway 17 left. November 0, November Echo, you're flying the Skyhawk straight ahead.
Right here, 70 November back on the site.
Tower, just advise them that you're ready at Foxtrot.
Oh my God.
November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, turn right at Foxtrot, hold short of runway 17 left. November 4 Alpha Foxtrot, thank you. You can monitor Tower 121.0.
Okay guys, you ready to go? Yeah, we're gonna go now, okay?
November 0 November Echo, you can continue full length via Bravo.
Cessna 24 Alpha Foxtrot, Austin Tower, fighting 130, 317 left, clear for takeoff.
Now, you ready?
Yeah.
Happy?
Alex, how old are you? 11. Huh? 11.
Okay, this is the runway. Ready?
Yeah.
Up at 5686, take your next start, contact ground 1 owner.
Right over ground, cover 666. Oh, you left turn?
I'm sorry, left turn.
Left turn at 5686, good day.
Otter 70 November Echo, Austin Tower, you ready to go? Otter 70 November Echo, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, traffic on a 4-mile funnel, Boeing 737.
Runway heading, 17 left, clear, takeoff 70 November Echo.
American 1645, Austin Tower, fly heading 190, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
17 right, clear for takeoff, 190 heading on departure, American 1635.
Delta 722 traffic, departing prior to arrival for Otter. Delta 722, roger. Darragh 6491, Austin Tower, possibly turbines, proceeding traffic, runway 17 left, cleared to land.
Clear land, 17 left.com, 6491.
Cessna 4 Alpha Foxtrot, check transponder on. Alpha Foxtrot, resuming navigation to Lockhart. American 1645, contact departure.
Fortune American 16 and 45 good day.
Delta 722. Right at Kilo, right on Bravo, contact ground point 9.
Kilo Bravo, point 9 to the 772.
That's a Bravo, fire shot, that's part you know, I already gave you on clear, contact approach.
Charlie, roger. Number 70, November Echo, turn left, heading 090.
090 heading 70 November Echo.
Alpha Foxtrot, Austin Bergstrom, contact.
Contact approach 125.32.
2532, just 1095.
Brickyard 3368, contact approach 125.32.
125.32.
Number 70 November Echo, clear direct to Alexi.
Alexi, 70 November Echo, thank you.
Stationary 00 Papa, contact San Antonio approach 127.1.
00 Papa 271, thank you, good night.
Stallion 787 Papa Mike, you can hear me, I don't.
No, not too much carbon.
Center, hi, Jazz 840 with you on the arrival.
Jazz 840 also approach, uniforms current, expect runway 17 left.
17 left, you have uniform, Jazz 840.
Hold on. Okay, you're fine.
Parker 0 November Echo, contact Houston Center 132.15, 3215.
32150 November Echo, okay.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Roger, 1 minute, 7 Romeo Mike.
Control aircraft parachute to main progress over Ventress from 12000.
See, over here, you can see the room. Oh, actually, I'm going to get one out. Coming like that. Just over here.
Maryland 7 Delta Papa, contact the Gray approach 120.07.
2007, Gray Delta Papa. Send Romeo Mike, Tom and 14. Right, send Mike, roger.
Information uniform out of 16-4 on the Suzy 2 arrival. 5761 Austin approach, expect runway 17 right. 17 right. Command 7 Hotel Charlie, contact approach 119.0.
Alright, 119.0, 7 Hotel Charlie.
Number 4 Alpha Foxtrot, squawk BFR, change advisor. There's one aircraft in the pattern at 1,900 feet indicated.
Lockhart, Darragh, Chrono 6 downstairs, all in the field, at 2,500.
What? No, in a few minutes, Emmy. We're going to land in a few minutes, okay? So, if you look over here, you'll see the runway. There's some flat strip. That's the runway we're going to go.
Over 87, Cherokee 3466, is on the downwind for 16 over.
Stand by around the right base 16 over. class, runway 163.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to start sitting down, and then we're going to go and we're going to go past the runway. We're going to go around and go past it, just check it, make sure there's no other planes around, and then we're going to go down ourselves. There's no way our craft's going to go down here. No, we're not going to do that.
Lockhart going just downstairs, orbiting the field at 3,000.
I'd go back and then go back and just see here like a big airplane there.
Casual traffic demands at 9744 Yankee, about 10 miles to the southeast of the field. We're inbound for fuel. Full stop, Castroville.
We're going to go and land in a minute, okay? And then we'll land and we'll take off sometime. Can't hear you, buddy. Talk to me afterwards. I can't hear you now, okay?
Lockhart traffic, Thermal 6 South Sierra, over the field 3000, orbiting.
Second, Eva.
Traffic, Thermal 6 South Sierra, departing pattern to the east at 2,700, about 4 miles out from maneuvering.
What's that? Yeah, we might swap around seats. I just want to check that the lads are okay.